Welcome back, automotive world. Today we're diving deep into the next level of luxury SUVs. Forget what you thought you knew about the Infiniti QX80, because for 2026, it's not just an update, it's a revolution. With a bold new sport trim, a powerhouse engine that shreds the old V8 stereotypes, and technology that anticipates your every need, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Is the 2026 QX80 ready to dominate the luxury market? Let's find out.
Now the big news for 2026 is the hierarchy shakeup. Say goodbye to the sensory trim because there's a new kid in town, and it's called the Sport. Slotting in as the penultimate trim choice, the QX80 Sport is all about making a powerful visual impression. While it doesn't add any extra ponies under the hood, more on that in a second, it drips with attitude. Check out that new cross-striped front grille and the more aggressive front bumper with its subtle splitter. To complete the menacing, murdered-out aesthetic, you get striking black exterior trim and massive dark 22-inch six-spoke alloy wheels. If you want a luxury SUV that says sporty elegance without being too flashy, the QX80 Sport trim is designed just for you. But let's talk about what moves this mountain of luxury. Every single 2026 QX80 is now powered by a ferocious 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. It cranks out a whopping 450 horsepower. The acceleration is brisk, and thanks to the twin-turbo setup, the engine note remains impressively quiet even when you've got the pedal buried. This isn't just a daily driver, it's a powerhouse. Standard on all models is a sophisticated 9-speed automatic transmission that makes every gear change seamless. Now for the drivetrain. The Pure and Luxe trims are available with your choice of rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. But if you step up to the Sport or the top-tier Autograph models, you get all-wheel drive standard, ensuring confident handling no matter where the American road takes you. And for nearly every trim except the base Pure, a smooth-riding air spring suspension system is standard equipment, offering a magic carpet ride. Stepping inside the QX80, especially in the front cabin, is like entering a high-end sanctuary. The interior screams quality, featuring premium materials like soft leather seating surfaces, genuine wood trim, and polished metal accents. It's incredibly comfortable, and you can see the detail. The instrument panel is a modern marvel of screen-based technology, all displayed with crystal-clear clarity. And look at this! A slanted display screen located right below the central infotainment screen puts all your climate controls at your fingertips. It's smart, it's intuitive, and it looks amazing. Speaking of screens, the QX80's infotainment system is a 3-screen masterpiece. At the top of the dash, you'll find two 14.3-inch screens, one acting as the fully digital instrument cluster and the other as the main infotainment touchscreen. A third 9.0-inch touchscreen is mounted lower to manage things like the sophisticated HVAC system and your drive mode selector. And guess what? A Google-based infotainment system is standard, giving you seamless access to Google Maps, the Google Play App Store, and the convenience of Google Assistant voice commands. And the sound, oh the sound! An impressive 14-speaker Klipsch stereo system is standard across the board. And for those seeking the ultimate auditory experience, a beastly 24-speaker Klipsch system comes standard on the sensory and Autograph trims. It's like having a concert hall in your SUV.
But luxury isn't just for the driver. The QX80's second-row captain's chairs are true long-haul thrones. They offer plush comfort and enough legroom to stretch out on those cross-country family road trips. Plus, heated middle-row seats are standard on all QX80 trims. And if you choose the top-tier Autograph trim, you'll even get ventilated and massaging functions for the second row. And the third row? This isn't just a kids-only zone. The QX80's third row is incredibly spacious, offering enough room for 3 adults to sit without knocking knees, a rare feat even for SUVs of this magnitude. Third-row passengers are treated like royalty, especially in the Autograph trim, which adds heated third-row seats. Need to haul gear instead of people? The QX80 has you covered. With the 60/40 split-folding third-row seats down, you get a maximum cargo capacity of a massive 56.3 cubic feet. In our testing, that was enough to swallow 22 cabin suitcases. Even with a third row upright, we still managed to fit 7 cabin suitcases. This SUV is ready for whatever your adventure requires. Now, let's talk about safety and peace of mind, especially for families. Standard on every single QX80 is a comprehensive package of driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. But Infiniti takes it further with an optional advanced adaptive cruise control system called ProPilot Assist 2.1. This system includes a hands-free driving mode, adding another layer of convenience and safety on the highway. ProPilot Assist 2.1 is available on the Luxe, Sensory, and Autograph models. And when it comes to long-term ownership, Infiniti offers a competitive warranty that stands out. The QX80 features the longest limited coverage and corrosion protection in its class. Plus, you get a complimentary scheduled maintenance plan for 3 years or 45,000 miles, providing incredible value and hassle-free ownership. So, is the 2026 Infiniti QX80 the ultimate luxury SUV for American families and adventurers? With its bold new sport trim, muscular twin-turbo power, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched cabin comfort for all 3 rows, it's making a serious case for the crown. The competition better take note. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated on all things automotive. We'll see you in the next one.